Here's how to detoxify your whole body through the feet. Although there are different detox methods you can try, it seems that one ancient Chinese technique is the best. The ancient Chinese practice of reflexology believes that the body has certain pressure points which can be stimulated in order to destroy toxins within and improve the overall health. There are more than one ways to do it, and you can see the options next. Foot detox pads. The foot detox pads are easy to apply and present in almost any health store for an affordable price. The best time to use them is just before sleeping. When you get up in the morning, they should be black, which is an indication that they worked. Ionic foot bath. Ionic foot can detoxify your whole body through your feet by generating electrolysis, a process that uses electrical current which creates a specific reaction within the body that will get rid of all the chemicals and toxins. The hot water from the bath will open the pores on your skin, and the salt used in the bath promotes efficient elimination. It's not unusual for the water to turn dark by the end of the bath. It's a sign that the process worked. Here are a few simple ionic baths. Salt bath. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Epsom salt, a tub of hot water. Preparation: pour the baking soda, salt and Epsom salt in the hot water one by one and mix until they dissolve, then relax your feet in it for up to 30 minutes. A salt detox bath can raise the magnesium levels in your body, promote detoxification and resolve any skin problems. Clay bath. Ingredients: ½ cup Epsom salt, ½ cup bentonite clay. Essential oils of your choice, optional. Preparation: just like with the previous recipe, add the ingredients in the bath and soak your feet in for 20 minutes. Rinse with cold water in the end and repeat the process 2-3 times a week to extract all toxins from your body. Oxygen bath. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons hydrogen peroxide, 1 tablespoon powdered ginger. Preparation: pour hot water in a tub and let the ingredients dissolve, waiting for a couple of minutes before soaking your feet in. Oxygen baths will promote detoxification and resolve numerous problems such as hypersensitivity and various ailments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more natural cures and weight loss tips, subscribe to the channel.